and we know what you did. We need you in a confession. Now we're going to get through this quick, because I got other things to do. I got a fresh box of donuts out there. Those donuts are looking so good. All right, kid. Who were you with?
I wasn't with anyone. I didn't do anything.
Oh, we got a joker. Oh, look at this. Listen, we know you were with someone. You gotta be with someone, kid. Who were you with?
I was with my mom, dude.
Oh, with mom. You know all the security tapes. You saw the guy's mohawk as you left.
Yeah, my mom's got a mohawk.
His chains were blinging off the screen.
My mom's got a mohawk. Now she got bling.
This kid right here, this kid. I hate this kid. He lied. You Pinocchio, look out. Don't look me in the eye with that Pinocchio nose. Pinocchio nose. Oh, you think because he's got muscles and he's a good role model for kids, you can drag him down with this? What were you grades in school, huh?
I wasn't with Mr. T, dude. He didn't do anything.
What
My grades are fabulous, thank you. Okay, were you on the A-team? That was a fictional TV show.
All right. Where were you? Huh?
We were just in my house. It was me, Mr. T, and my mom.
Listen, we know where you were. Just say it.
If you know, why do you ask?
Because, kid, don't. Who's got the badge, huh? You got the badge.
Oh, not him.
All right. Think it's funny to go into the cages, mess around with all the little critters, huh?
It wasn't me, dude.
It was you?
Yeah, that probably was hilarious, actually.
You know, kids go there on field trips and stuff with schools to feed them, and you gotta go and be a little jerk to them. Huh? Leave them alone. Why you go there?
How could you tolerate
Why you call someone like this?
Okay. Me, my mom, and Mr. T, we may or may not have been at the zoo, but I don't know.
There's one thing we can all do. What are you doing? What are you
Just looking at the apples. Mr. T is a big fan of elephants.
Picked up a 90-year-old out back. Her leg is above her head. There's attention to her. Dude, I'm here to find out.
Not that.
She ain't got no arms looking out. So, does it make you feel good inside? Think you're a tough guy? You got Mr. T at the zoo, you can do whatever you please.
Yeah.
Not talking. All right. Listen up, kid. I'm losing my patience. You don't want to see him mad. I saw one who was very scared. I'm sure it was. So you go wait out by diners, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, dinner rush for them, you know, they come out with a handful of mints that they stole from the counter. I know how that works. You wait behind until they get into their old Chevys, and then you get them, huh? Is that what you do?
Okay, first of all, old people drive Cadillacs. Second of all, I wasn't messing with any old people with Mr. T and my mom at the zoo.
All right, could you tell us one more time what you did?
Me and Mr. T and my mom. We were at the zoo and kind of may or may not have beat up a bunch of old people.